Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning motivation video. I'm going to play some good music. Guys, let me know what types of videos you prefer, voiceover or just music. So today there's not really a mess of toys necessarily, but there's some things that need to, be cleaned and wiped down. I also need to vacuum the rugs and the floor, and I have my amazing shark vacuum. If you guys want a review on the shark vacuum, let me know in the comments down below. So I wanted to film this video to give you guys some motivation to clean something in your house, at least one room at a time, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna do the basic clean and dust and clean the floors. Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
What's up?
I listened to your video.
You listened to my video?
Yes.
Thank you. So first things first, if you have a kid, set them up with an activity. Today, Olivia's going to be playing with these beans that I put in like a little thing with lizards and cups. She likes to pour them back and forth. So that should keep her busy and it should let me get something done.
Wish that I could stay. 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 Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Stay. Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. don't scare so easily. You don't come with dirty deeds. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to go then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. Impressions, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete the check, but the who's elusive and I'm barely moving. But I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing. So I rip the winners and they throw the losers. Guess I have to pivot, shooting over